How to view MySpace photo in myspace.com. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can view your MySpace photos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is simply open up your web browser and search for MySpace. After you search for MySpace, just open up its website. You can directly go to myspace.com as well. Now log in into your account, and after you do that, on the left hand side you should find different options. There you'll find a U section, so just head over to the U section on the left hand side, and there you'll find mixes. Tap on mixes, and after you tap on mixes you will see all of your mixes here, including your photos. You can head over to the personal section to view your personal mixes. So there you can open up your photos. Here you will see all of your photos, and that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. That is how you can see your photos on your MySpace account. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.